Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make medium steak. First, select a steak cut that is at least 1 inch thick. This helps achieve a perfect medium doneness. Next, pat your steak thoroughly dry with paper towels to ensure a beautiful, even sear. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, let your steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. Now let's get that amazing sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed, to the hot pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the pan and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side. This crucial step develops a rich, flavorful crust. To reach that perfect medium doneness, reduce the heat to medium-low after searing both sides. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme to the pan. Baste the steak continuously for 3 to 5 minutes, flipping it occasionally. A medium steak should register an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit using a meat thermometer. The final, and arguably most important, step is resting your steak. Transfer the cooked steak to a cutting board or plate and tent it loosely with aluminum foil. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked medium steak against the grain and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.